Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook account. For disabling or turning off two-factor authentication, you have to go your main profile account first, then click your profile from right corner, then click settings and privacy option, then settings, here you have to select password and security option, then click the password and security again, then you have to go two-factor authentication from the right side, so click it, shows your account. For your security you must re-enter your password to continue. After entering your password, click submit. Here you are seeing that my two-factor authentication is on. I am going to turning off. Click text message, SMS. Now turn off it. Click turn off. See, now you are seeing that it is loading. Wait a few seconds. You are seeing that the XMC security method is off. You cannot make this change at this moment. You have to wait at least 1 month to enable. So that's all. Thanks for watching.